The subscriber growth blueprint. Got to come up with a plan. So what we're going to do is view something that is a driven strategy. Forget the old mindset of chasing subs directly. Your main mission, hitting that 25,000 view mark. Because when the views roll in, the subs follow. Can you feel me? Step-by-step hustle is what I'm going to do for you. We're talking a battle-tested plan that zooms in on boosting your video views and building a loyal fan base. Keep it real, though. With increased visibility comes all sorts of attention. Protect your privacy like it's your last pair of fresh kicks. Remember, what goes online stays online. You feel me? It's the truth. Mastering SEO and keyboard game. This is one subject that we got to touch on. Niche-specific keywords. Stop competing with the big league. Stop competing with the big league boys, you all right? Instead, target niche-specific keywords that are actually getting searched. Smart keyword tactics like start broad and narrow it down to those golden keywords that will give you your channel that extra push. That's what you gotta do. Tools of the trade. Tools like vidIQ, which everybody knows, are your secret weapon. They show you where the search volumes are at and help you track your growth. Optimize tips. Slam your most important keywords at the front of your title. Content alignment. Study top-ranked videos, learn their tricks, dodge their mistakes, and make your own killer moves. Ever feel like SEO is just a bunch of fancy jargon? Well, think of it like seasoning. Too little and your content's bland. Too much and you're choking on it. Find that perfect balance. You know what I'm talking about. If your lady can't cook, man. Subject 2, creating engaging, authentic content. Audience centric creation. Your content should vibe with what your audience craves. No more random uploads. Focus on quality that hits home. Engagement beyond views. Views get noticed, but genuine engagement turns views into diehard fans. Social media reels. 3D reels on the rise. Those 3D reels, they are on hit. Amp up your presence across Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube by creating and crafting dope 3D reels that pop off the screen. Keyword-rich descriptions. Don't forget those killer descriptions laced with the right keywords. Got to give it the right description, otherwise YouTube won't even rank it. Top smart. Tag smart. Use tag generator tools so every video is optimized to the max. Consistency is key. It's not an overnight sprint. It's a marathon. Daily grind, daily hustle, and watch your numbers skyrocket. All right, now check this out. Here's the cue. So is it all just strategy, or do I need some secret sauce? Nah, it's a mix of smart strategy, constant grind, and a sprinkle of personality. And hey, if you want to spice things up, throw in a little humor of some real talk. Real talk could always, really let people know, hey, I'm real, you know what I mean? Final word, the hustle and the caution. Remember, this YouTube game is about working smart and hustling hard. You gotta hustle hard. I mean, you do. Oh my God, it drives me nuts. I'm so tired from doing this. I've been doing 1.5 years and I just need a break. I'm just like, please let this be the one. Let this be the one video. This blueprint is not just theory. It's been tried. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Everything I say in this video is the truth. You just gotta really grind it out. It's not easy, but you'll get it. Go ahead and take your time, take a breath, step back, and reflect on what you're doing. And remember, it's not about what's on the screen. It's about the words that are being said, because that's where the true value is at. So if you found any value in this video, like, subscribe, share it on your community, your Facebook, your Instagram. I'm tired, guys. I'm telling you the truth. And I really appreciate you. This ain't one of my best videos, but I've been going through a lot, so I just do the best I can right now. I hope you guys can understand. If you want a shout out, let me know. I'll throw it in my next video. Go to my merch store, creators. I can't even think right now, guys. Yeah, but just, it's all in the description. You guys take care. I'm tired. I gotta get some sleep. Yeah, that's what I gotta do. Thanks, guys. It's keeping it real, baby.